Looking for a quick and delicious sweet for iftar today? These 3-ingredient treats are a lifesaver. Start with 200 grams of desiccated coconut in a large mixing bowl. Now, pour in a little Mithaimate. Next, add in 80 grams of milk powder. This gives it that rich, creamy texture. Add the rest of the Mithaimate and mix everything well until it forms a soft, non-sticky dough. Grease your palms with a little ghee and roll them into medium-sized balls. For that classic snowy look, give them a generous coat of extra desiccated coconut. And that's it. These are ready in under 10 minutes. Perfect for your Ramadan table.